What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're over Solana gem that stumbled across called Solboard. We're going to go a little bit of a deep dive on this, look at the charts, look at what kind of utility it actually provides, and if it's a winner or not. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Solboard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Solboard here. So we're gonna look at the chart real quick. We're not gonna do TA on it till the end, but I just want to point out it is a very, very small market cap, only 24,000 with 15,000 liquidity. It is about 26 days old, and I believe this did launch on pump.fun. So it is one of those coins that launched on pump.fun, just to be transparent. Now, let's do a little bit of deep dive, look at their website, kind of see what this coin actually does. So Solboard enables your roadmap and governance transparency and on-chain. No more boring roadmaps and governments. So it's transparency for the roadmaps and obviously the governments, right? So people are able to see who's doing what and everything like that. And I think it explains a little bit deeper in here. Decentralized productivity powerhouse, simple, flexible, and powerful. All it takes are boards, lists, and cards to get a clear view on who's doing what and what needs to get done. This incorporates DAO roadmap and holder voting. We are also introducing the revolutionary feature Fund to Earn. Soul boards keep tasks organized and work moving forward in a glance. See everything on things to do to all. Yeah, we did it. So it's able to keep things organized. You're able to view everything all in one single spot, which is awesome. It also allows you to, kind of bring that transparency to the community there. You can kind of show them where we're at, what we have on our task list and stuff. So the different stages of the task start as simple as to do, doing, or done. Cards represent tasks and ideas and holds information to get the job done. So it's kind of like an advanced DAO type stuff, guys. We are consistently improving and adding new features. Here's a list of what we have done and we're planning to do. So they launched a new homepage, launched Solboard token, board, start building dedicated community, launch DApp on internal beta testers, marketing campaign phase 1. So they've already finished all this off in Q1. Now they're currently working on Q2, so the app launch, right? User onboarding, public listing. They already said they already have beta testers here, so they've already been testing this coin out. You can definitely do your own research. This is at solboard.xyz. If we look at the charts here, I like the small market cap, and the liquidity to market cap is actually pretty good. And what really kind of attracted me to this coin here is the double bottom that currently took place. One bottom, two bottom right there. And we saw a big reversal candle just spawn in off that double bottom. On top of that, if we look at the downtrend actually was broken here on the 22nd of April. So the heavy downtrend was broken on the 22nd of April. The secondary downtrend right here was actually just broken today. So we actually just broke this heavy downtrend today. As you can see with that candle, as soon as we broke it, we got a very, very nice large green engulfing candle. If we pull up the MACD here real quick, we can take a look at the MACD. We can take a look at the RSI, and indicators kind of called this before it actually happened here. We're losing our bearish momentum rather quickly, and you can see as soon as we crossed over bullish here, which was that breakout of the downtrend, we had a very nice green engulfing candle on the MACD. So the MACD is officially bullish since April 26th. So it's been bearish for the last 2 days. RSI is tailing up. This is the highest the RSI has ever been, so we'll monitor that closely. And then if we look at the day chart here, just to get a little bit more information on what's going on to the day-to-day time frame, we don't have a lot of info for the MACD and stuff like that, but we can still use the chart. And that chart relatively tells us that we did experience a double bottom here, and it does look like we are officially at a trend reversal point comparative to our April 6th high. The April 6th high, the retracement, which normally happens in every single new coin, right? You have the initial pump, then you have the dump, and then you have the normal coin accumulation, which fosters the next pump. And it does look like we are in the stages of that next possible pump coming in for board right now, especially with a double bottom pattern. So this is a coin that we stumbled upon for transparency. I only own like $100 of this coin. I don't own a large amount of it, but we'll keep you guys updated on it. I just thought it would be something good to bring to you guys' attention. I like their use case. I like their utility. We'll just see if they can actually capitalize and do what they said they're going to do. Another thing we look at here is their X. How active are they on social media? Because that's a big driving factor, right? If you're investing in any sort of cryptocurrency, you want to make sure that that cryptocurrency is being active on social media, because when you're buying in, you're technically buying the ticket into the community. If they're not active on social media and getting the word out there of what they're doing, then what's the purpose of investing in a coin? They actually posted 2 hours ago. They posted 3 hours ago. They 27th, 26th. So they're constantly posting every single day on here, which I like, and they're bringing their transparency. They actually, I believe, just got strict listed today too, if I'm not mistaken. If you go to their Telegram here Yeah, Solboard is now approved in strict list token on Jupiter. We'll be having a check mark in Bird Eye soon. So that's bullish right there. Just brings more transparency. And you can see people are already starting to buy this up. We had a big buy here of 1200 about what was this? Almost 20 minutes ago, followed by another nice one. So it's only at $22,000 market cap. We'll see where it goes. I'm not going to predict how high the market cap can go because obviously these meme coins can go up and down rather quickly. I just like that it currently formed a double bottom pattern, and now we're currently working our way to the upside. And even if we look at the MACD here on the day chart, let's see what we can look at with fibs. Top to bottom right here, it does look like our next resistance is up here at around 3371. And then on the short-term time frame, if we draw the short-term fibs, which the short-term fib would be from the prior high to the low right here, prior high to low, we actually just got stopped out at our 786 area. So we're to keep an eye on that price range right there at about 2,500 micro pennies. We get over 2,500 micro pennies, this thing will have some juice to run. But overall, man, this thing has officially broken out of its downtrend that it's been in since April 6th. Because you can see it was a low here. We actually just put in a higher low and broke out of the extended downtrend. So I would say officially a trend reversal right now. Let's see if we can head up and take out those all-time highs here. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.